Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You should begin by verifying core prerequisites and taking immediate, concrete actions. Install Python and Anaconda and open a Jupyter notebook. This gives you an executable playground. Once done, practice NumPy and Pandas workflows on small tabular tasks to build fluency and learn basic plotting for quick EDA. Make sure to register on Kaggle, accept rules, and generate your API token so you can download datasets and submit kernels right away. This gets you into the competitive loop. You now move into the detailed middle work where depth matters. Start with systematic exploration, missingness, distributions, and correlations, and then create targeted features that encode signal. Once you have features, implement a baseline using logistic regression or random forest to establish a benchmark. Follow with XGBoost and compare via 5-fold cross-validation. Make sure to build reusable pipelines and try simple ensembles, stacking or averaging. While carefully tracking validation performance, you're at the finish line. Prepare a reproducible notebook and script that others can run. Include seed control and environment notes. Once done, optimize hyperparameters cautiously, calibrate probabilities if needed, and submit your top run while tracking leaderboard changes. If results diverge or performance collapses, inspect for data leakage, mismatched cross-validation vs leaderboard split, or incorrect preprocessing order. Those are the most common failure modes. Keep iterating and documenting. Learning from each submission is how you become an expert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.